1, full power, and liftoff. Vehicle's pitching downrange.
Nominal first stage chamber pressures. Falcon 9 has successfully lifted off from Launch Complex 39A, carrying our 53 Starlink satellites into space. Now, moments ago, we did throttle down the engines on the first stage, and this is in preparation for Max Q. Max Q is the maximum dynamic pressure that the vehicle sees on ascent.
Falcon 9 is supersonic.
Great call-outs. Max Q should be coming up here in about 10 seconds or so.
Max Q.
And there's that call-out. We just passed through Max Q. Now with that, we have a few events happening back-to-back very quickly, one after another. That'll be MECO, or main engine cutoff, stage separation, SES1, or second stage engine startup 1, and then fairing deploy. MECO is where all 9 of those engines that you could see lit up on your screen, that is where those engines will shut down, and that helps slow the vehicle down in preparation for the next event, which will be stage separation. That's where the first and second stage separates from each other. First stage will start to make its way back home here on Earth, while the second stage continues on its journey, taking the Starlink satellites with it, with SES1, or second stage engine startup 1, and that's where we will light up that single